It's a really windy day, 22 to 38 mile an hour winds. So we're gonna see how this guy does out there. Rocks. I'm gonna see if I can actually. Yeah, the wind is nuts. So we've got the Beta FPV F4 cross, just F4 with ELRS built in. Put a walk snail 1S light board, 3D pencil canopy. It's got 25,000 kV 0802 UV drum motors, the biblade gem fan props, and I'm just using a fractal frame without ducts on it. And honestly, I would have put ducts on it, but I couldn't find screws long enough. And it didn't come with screws to do that, to put the ducts and the motors on. So you need twice as long screws. But, so yeah, we did an open prop build. And it's a lot of fun. This thing is so quiet. I can't hear it. Wow, this is a fun little build though. I haven't flown like this for a while. It's kind of my roots, starting with the tinyhawk freestyle. That 2.5 inch freestyle build. It's just so much fun. You rip it around, smiling the whole time. That's what this one feels like. It's just lighter weight, small, and HD. Oh, that was nice. Nice and clean. In the baggy roll. This thing just feels fun and fast. Jeez, I hit that stick and it hardly moved. Those spy blades come into effect and there's nothing to catch on. They just kind of move out of the way. Oh, hold on. Oh yeah. Huh. A little bit of mud on there, not too bad. Oof, it is windy. All right, I'm gonna go try the front yard instead, just for some different. I've definitely noticed myself not quite flying as free as usual. Like, I know there's no ducts there, and so I'm being a little bit more cautious, maybe too cautious about tapping into it and crashing. Ooh, that was good. That was a nice ball tap. Gotta get that one. I added this little tab thing right here. It's probably pretty hard to see. but that just protects the MIPI cable from getting chopped by the propeller. This was the first time I've flown it. I had to wait a long time to get a new MIPI cable shipped because my very first test flight, in like 10 seconds, I chopped that cable and can fly it. So this was kind of my first go ahead with this, and haven't even tuned it. Just turned the master slider up a bit on the PIDs, and that's it. So I do really like the build. It flies great. It's almost silent. It's kind of freaky how quiet it is, but that's pretty cool. It's a lot of fun to go back to this. I feel like my roots, or my start to FPV, was a 2.5 inch open prop like this, but a little bigger, but this feels a lot like that. So FPV's come a long way. Getting HD out of this tiny little 1S build. It's so awesome. But yeah, I can actually fly in really heavy wind. Like, that was really heavy wind. I noticed it quite a bit, but it was fine. You got through it. Probably had more crashes than usual, but it was still great. Still a lot of fun. Call it my Batman build.